Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today is going to be my first video of 2019. I know I'm a little bit late to the show, but I wanted to take a good amount of time off during the Christmas and the New Year after doing Vlogmas, just to relax and spend time with Robert and Ava. So today is Saturday, the 5th of January. So as I said, we're going to be doing like a day in the life. As always with these, I have no plans. Robert is currently out at work. He has to he's doing a car, he's a car mechanic. He has like a side job thing that he's doing out at work, and myself and Ava are here. Ava's just playing I have this kind of like educational app on my iPad, and Ava's just playing with that for a little while. It's 11 AM. We've been having a very lazy morning. I'm still in my pajamas, but I am going to go get dressed very soon. When Robert comes home, I'm hoping that we can go somewhere, you know, outside, because I've been outside in ages. It feels like, you know, besides from just like walking down the street or walking down the town or something. I kind of want to go somewhere like a foresty or trails or something like that. But we had a very nice Christmas. It was nice and relaxed and quiet and lazy. We spent lots of days not doing very much, which was great, especially for Robert because he works so much. He works a lot of hours, so it was nice for him just to have time off to do nothing. But by the time that the second rolled around, you know, he was ready to go back to work. He was kind of getting bored, and I was extremely bored. So it was kind of good to get back into the flow of, you know, having some sort of structure to our day other than just getting up and doing nothing all day. Sorry, I'm just looking at something on my window. Oh no. Oh, I thought there was like a massive crack on my window. There wasn't. It was just the way the blind was. Okay. So, yeah. Day in the life. Who knows? But hopefully it's good. You gonna say hello, Ava? What are you doing? You gonna sing a song?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sing it again, bud.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Your boat.
Every
Merrily.
morning.
Merrily, merrily. You're too busy, aren't you? So,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. How about Twinkle Twinkle? You sing that one?
Wicca, wicca, wicca. I am your boy.
What? Like a diamond.
Whoa.
Oh wow, that was so good.
Go.
Let it go. Okay, you sing that one.
We
Let it go.
echo, 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 echo.
So good.
Echo, echo,
Holding back anymore.
echo, echo.
So yeah, you can see she loves singing now, which is so good. And her speech is coming along great. She strings like 2 or 3 words together now. Not all the time, but you know, a lot more than she did. So I'm really happy with the way that she's going. So the only thing I'm not happy about is that she's woke up yesterday with a cold. Like guys, if you had watched my Vlogmas, you'll know how sick she was. Like every single day in December. Thought we were getting over it. Nope. Somebody comes and has a snotty nose today. The snotty nose. So we're she'll be back. She hasn't been in school obviously because the Christmas break. She hasn't been in school in 3 weeks. So she'll be back in school on Tuesday. And I'm looking forward to it, to be honest.
You're gonna write all his details. So what's your cat's name? We'll get you a pen. You write down the cat's name, so Kitty, and the second name Cat. And then you like Mr. Fluffy. And then you think he likes the white brush. You're gonna brush his hair. You have all his work done. What's his name? Hang it there.
Ava, are we gonna get dressed and go out for a walk?
No.
No. Why? What's that? You have to write down your cat's details.
Is his name first name Kitty, second name Cat?
But here, do you not want to go outside?
No.
What do you want to do? You just want to play? Oh wow, that's very pretty. Oh, the cars?
No.
What's?
Go. Come here.
So we have come out for a little while just to get some fresh air so Ava can burn off some of her energy. She had a little nap as well when Robert came home from doing the job that he was doing. She had a little nap. I of course didn't wear the correct footwear for this and I'm like sinking as I walk. Are you Daddy chasing you? You can do it. Oh. We go see the sheep?
Some black sheep?
Somebody draw on them? Did somebody draw on the sheep?
Me.
You did? Did you draw on the sheep?
It's so strange, that sheep has a white tail.
Oh yeah.
Tail hasn't been cut yet.
Are you herding the sheep?
You little sheepdog.
Oh! What you doing? What can you see?
See on the trees? Going it down? Watch the hole.
Hey,
Can you check on her sheep?
What are you doing?
bye.
You driving? Turn the music off it.
Now you turn, alright? Ready? Look, I worked the steering wheel.
Oh wow. Holy moly. Are you driving?
Can I turn that way?
No.
Turn the steering wheel. Look, put hands up. Right, now turn that way. The other way. Turn the other way. Good girl. Look. Ready?
Good girl.
Oh.
Oh, Ava's driving the car. Press all the buttons.
You gonna go that way?
Turn.
Good girl. Yeah, keep turning that way, look. No, good girl.
Is that big hole is there?
Is there a big hole up there? You go like that. Good girl, look at you. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Good girl. Now, both hands on. Where are we driving to?
Baby cake.
We got this Lego Duplo. Ava got it as a gift for Christmas. And you like it, don't you? We like making it. We get a little stuck sometimes. But
Uh-oh.
you can do it.
Uh-oh. Cake.
Oh, the cake fell off. No. We turn it around so I can see. Oh, look, Minnie and her birthday cake. Oh, wow. So it's the next day. I forgot to end the video. I know I didn't do very much, but we ended up not doing very much yesterday because Ava has a cold. So after my section that I did yesterday morning, I then got dressed, we ate some lunch, Ava went for a nap, and after a nap we went up and we went out, is what you saw. So after we went out, we then went down to Robert's parents just for an hour or two, and then we were home and Ava was going to bed. So there wasn't really very much to do, but I thought I'd just come on this morning and show you just us playing a little bit. You sit. Yeah, just us playing a little bit and share that with you guys. And just to say, so thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and we will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.